Vanakkam. Now we are going to solve problem 3.1 from Digital Design by Moris Mano's 5th edition. In this already we have solved the A and B problem. So now we are going to solve C problem alone. Okay, that is f of x comma y comma z is equal to sigma 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 using 3-variable k-map. So already we have drawn this 3-variable k-map and all the things are set. Okay, now we have to actually register the minterm values into the cells. So here we have this 0 value, okay, as a minterm. So for this we have to write a 1, then for this 1, then for this 2, then for this 3, then for this 5. Okay, so 5 midterms are given, so 5 cells are being occupied with the 1. So now it is our time to concatenate or combine the ones with the maximum number of ones. Okay, that is, there is no possibility for combining 8 number of ones. It's not available. So we are looking for 4 number of ones. So it is available here. So we can combine them and form loop 1. 4 number of adjacent ones. Okay. So we name this as loop 1. And now this one is left out. So this one can be combined with this one which is adjacent to it. Okay. So this can be taken as loop 2. Now we can write the expressions for loop 1 and 2. So for loop 1, if you check, these ones are covered by this variable x dash. So we have to write it as x dash. Then column wise you have to check. This one is covered by this y dash z dash. This one is covered by y dash z dash. This one is covered by y dash z. So we have to include it. This one is covered by this yz. So write it. Yz. Then finally this one for loop 1, that is covered by yz dash. It is yz dash. Now you check what are all the variables which are having the change in values. So here this x dash is there. It is not repeated or it doesn't have its original unprimed. And this y dash, and here you have the y, it can be cancelled. And here again you have this y dash, here you have this y. Okay, and then here is z dash is z. Here you have this z and here is z dash. Okay, so the left out is dash. So this is the expression for this loop 1. Then we go for loop 2. So when you consider this loop 2, it is covering this first cell and the fifth cell. So this first cell corresponds to this x dash row wise. So we have to mention x dash, and then this one, that means fifth cell, that corresponds to x row wise. So we have to write it. Then this loop, that is first and the fifth cell, they cover column wise this y dash is set, isn't it? So we can write this y dash is set. So that's all along this column wise and row wise variables representation. And this x dash x get cancelled, and remaining we have this y dash is set, isn't it? So we can write this as y dash is set. This is the remaining. Okay. Now we can combine the expression as f simplified. So that is equal to, for loop 1 it is x dash, then plus, for loop 2 it is y dash is set. So this is the answer. Thank you.